You are losing over $300,000 right now, and I promise you it has nothing to do with how much you earn. It's the $5 and $10 decisions you're writing off every single day as too small to matter because the math behind them will genuinely shock you. Most people are waiting to earn more before they start saving, and that one decision is costing them more than any bad investment ever could. Stay with us, because in the next 4 minutes, we are going to show you the exact math, the exact mistake, and the exact first move. And honestly, you'll never look at a small purchase the same way again. Okay, give me the number. What does saving $5 a day actually become? $5 a day is $150 a month. At 8% annual returns, the historical stock market average, in 40 years, that becomes over $500,000. Wait, one coffee a day builds $500,000? And people are skipping this because they think it's too small? Every single day. And the reason it works is compound interest. Your money earns returns, then those returns earn returns. Growth stacks on top of growth, and it accelerates every single year you leave it alone. But here's what I hear constantly. I'll start when I make more money. That sounds reasonable, right? It sounds reasonable, and it is destroying people's financial futures. Every year you wait costs you not just the money you didn't save, but all the compounded growth that money would have generated for the next 30 years. So 1 year of delay isn't losing 12 months of savings. It's losing decades of growth on top of that. 1 year of waiting at just $50 a month costs you over $6,000 by retirement. Not 600, 6,000 for doing nothing different, just starting 1 year later. If the math is this obvious, why isn't everyone doing it? What is actually stopping people? Your brain. It's called present bias. You are literally wired to value a reward today over a bigger reward in the future. It is not laziness. It is not irresponsibility.
So the
It is
fix has to
biology
work
working
around
against
the
your bank
brain,
account.
not through willpower? One word: automate. Set a transfer the same day your paycheck hits, before your brain knows the money ever existed. The best savings habit is the one you never have to think about. Wait, does it even matter where you put the money? I assumed a savings account is a savings account. Most savings accounts pay you 0.5%. High-yield accounts are paying 4 to 5% right now. That is a 10 times difference on the exact same money just sitting in a different account. 10 times more return for literally doing nothing different except choosing where to put it. That is almost offensive. And for goals more than 5 years away, index funds inside a Roth IRA have historically returned 8 to 10%. You're not just leaving money on the table, you're handing it back to the bank. Give me one real person who did this. Not a hedge fund manager, an everyday person. Sylvia Bloom, a school teacher in New York City. Took public transit her whole life, wore simple clothes, lived quietly. When she passed away, she left nearly $9 million to charity. Saved entirely on a teacher's salary through decades of automatic investing. Nobody around her had any idea. $9 million? A teacher. The same job people say doesn't pay enough to invest? That story hits completely different. And her colleague, same age, same salary, retired with almost nothing. Same income, 40 years apart in outcome. The only difference was the decision to start. What about someone listening right now who genuinely has nothing left at the end of the month? Is this realistic for them? Start with $1 a day. The goal is not the amount, it's becoming the kind of person who saves. Once that identity is locked in, the amount grows naturally. But you have to move before you feel ready, because ready never comes. What is the one move someone can take the moment this ends? Open a high-yield savings account or Roth IRA today, right now, and set up an automatic transfer for whatever you can afford, even $20. Do it before your brain talks you out of it. If this hit you, subscribe to Rise and Capitalize. Drop your first savings goal in the comments and share this with one person who needs to hear it. Next episode, something almost nobody understands until it's already wrecked them. Your credit score is either silently building your future or quietly destroying it. Right now. Don't miss it. See you next time on Rise and Capitalize.